In this video, we are going to see that if you want to add Grammarly Chrome extension, how we can easily do that. So first of all, just open up Chrome and just write here Grammarly. Here it is. Just open this up and don't log in to the Grammarly account. Instead, what you can do is just scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and here it says Get Grammarly, and we are going to see how we can install the Chrome extension. So here it is, Grammarly for Chrome. Click on that. Click on Get Grammarly, and now you can continue with Google. Let's continue, and you can click on next, ask some questions, or otherwise just skip through it. Continue with free. Get Grammarly for Windows plus Chrome. Here it is, it's downloading. And now the software is downloading, and meanwhile you can add the browser extension. Just click on that and just go ahead and click on Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension, and it might take some time because it is almost of 41 MB, and Grammarly for Chrome is now active. Click on Next, click Continue, and you can look for the Grammarly widget when you are writing on the web. That is Google Docs, Gmail, and Outlook. You can just try this on Gmail. So if you try writing something, you will get this little sign at the bottom, which will suggest to you something like this. It will process and it will review the suggestions. You can accept or reject it. And that's how it works. You can find this extension here in the puzzle sign. Just click on this Grammarly and you can make all of these customizations if you want to. And that's how you can install Grammarly Chrome extension easily. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.